Maybe ice breaking. Ice breaking. Okay, break. Have fun with Miss Hilal. Yes. Okay. Good.
Sydney, Australia. Do you guys know Australia? Yeah.
Yes. No.
What do you know about Australia?
Okay.
Animal? Ya, apa yang kalian tahu tentang Australia? Which animal do you know?
Tentang hewan yang berasal dari Australia.
Hewan yang ada di Australia hewan apa? Iya, kangaroo. Hey.
Kangaroo.
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 Do you guys know any other?
Not Pak Guru ya, bukan Pak Guru ya.
There's one more. Ya. Dan hewan yang lainnya? Hewan lain apa yang ada di Australia?
Our landmark di Australia. Yang kalian tahu tentang Australia apa? Ayo. Koala. Oke.
Kia. Nice to meet you, Kia.
Miss name Kia. Oke. Panggilannya Kia.
My name is
Amelia Azhara.
Amelia.
What's your people call you?
Nama nickname. What? Amel.
Amen.
Amel.
Amel.
Ayo,
Amel.
Amel.
Nice to meet you. Next.
Karissa.
Carissa.
Carissa.
Nice to meet you, Carissa. Next.
Sharifa.
Sherifa. Nice to meet you, Sherifa.
Ochu.
Ochu.
Ocu.
Ochu. Ochu. Nice to meet you.
Kayla.
Kaya.
Kayla.
Nice to meet you.
Gina.
Gina.
Okay, Miss Hilal from Australia. This is a volunteer English teaching introduction. Perkenalan bahasa Inggris siswa kelas 4 yang sudah menerapkan kurikulum merdeka bersama Miss Hilal from Australia.
Rania. Reza Rania. Yeah. Nice to meet you.
My name? Reza.
Reza. Your name is Reza. Nice to meet you. Abdul. Abdul.
Agung.
Agung.
Abdul. Abdul. Yeah. Yeah. You guys want to see a photo?
Assalamualaikum. Excuse me, I want to record my vlog.
So in Australia we have lots and lots of different animals. So this is the most common one. It's called a kangaroo. Have you guys seen a kangaroo before? Yeah. Yeah.
Live.
You guys seen this one before? Yeah. Yeah. Do you guys know any other Australian animals? No, maybe koala. Do you guys know koala? Yeah. Have you seen a koala before? No.
Kangaroo and koala. Animal from Australia.
So this one's a koala. It's very, very different to the Indonesian animals.
Koala, hewan dari Australia. Beda aja Australia.
So there's some of the Australian animals that we have. And to get you guys warmed up before we get started with the teaching, we're just going to play a little game. So do you guys know head, shoulders, knees and toes? No? Okay, so I'm going to need everyone standing up for this one. So up.
Oke, semuanya berdiri. Bingung dia ya. Stand.
Okay, so we have your head.
Head. Oke. Pegang kepala kalian semuanya.
Head. Yes, so say head. No? So head. Shoulders.
Shoulder.
Knees. And toes. So you guys say it with me. Head.
Oke.
So how do I tell them to like repeat after me?
Kepala, pundak, lutut, kaki, lutut, kaki. Oke? Oke, good.
So
Oke.
it's the same, but this one's the English version.
Tapi bahasa Inggris ya. Kepala, head, shoulder, and
Yes. So
Okay.
head. Everyone say head. Head.
head,
Head.
head,
Shoulders.
shoulder,
Knees.
mid.
And toes.
Oke.
Head. Shoulders. Knees. And toes. Okay, so we'll do that one a little bit faster. Head. Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, so has everyone done the first bit? Good?
Good.
Yes, so head, shoulders,
Shoulder,
knees,
mid,
toes. Okay, and then after that we have eyes, ears, mouth, and nose.
nose,
So eyes, ears,
ear,
mouth,
nose,
and nose.
and nose.
So now we're going to put the first bit and the second bit together, okay? So head,
Head,
shoulders,
Shoulders,
knees and
head.
toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes,
knees and toes.
And then we have eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Okay,
Okay.
so we're going to speed that one up. We're going to combine everything together and we're going to do it all together, okay? Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Head, shoulders, and eyes.
And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, toes. Well done, guys. Good job. Do you guys want to do one more time?
Oke, sekali lagi. Mau?
Yeah, one more time together. Everyone together. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Go. Pundak, lutut, kaki, lutut, kaki.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. So guys, well done.
Oke, tepuk tangan semuanya.
So that was our little warm up. Do you guys know your ABCs? Yeah? Alright, do we want to sing our ABCs together? All of you guys know, okay? Alright, all good? Yes?
Up. Oke, sit down please. Apa pegel? Baru berdiri sebentar juga. Alfabet.
So I.
Hai.
And then we have J.
J.
J. J. J. And then we have K. So can everyone say K? K. K. What's this one? Yeah, and what's this one? K. And then we have L. L. Yes, very good.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And I'm from Australia.
Oke, nama ibu ini Iman dari Australia.
My name is Hilan, and I'm from Sydney, Australia.
Nah, juga sama Hila dari Australia. Ada yang mau ngomong? You want to say something? Ada yang mau ngomong sama guru? This is volunteer English teacher.
Yeah.
Okay, volunteer English teacher. No, volunteer English program, teaching program.
Yeah.
Okay, good. How are you today?
Good.
Good. Spectacular. Bisa jawab banyak gitu ya. Kita tes sekali lagi.
How are you today?
Good.
Ulang sekali lagi. Ask again.
How are you today?
Good. Okay.
What grade?
No.
Year one. What year? Year four.
Two. Oh yes, basic ABC numbering alphabet.
Australia.
Oke, mau bilang sesuatu? Nggak ada mau bilang sesuatu. Oke, thank you Miss. Ya, thank you.
Say
Miss.
thank
Ya,
you.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Miss. Bye-bye.
Oke, bye. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you, Miss.